Hey, everybody, we'll get started in just a second. Here we go. Let's go. Hey, everybody, welcome. I am Dr. Stacy Yeager here to help inspire and motivate you in 2022. So, this is part two. If you missed part one, go to my YouTube channel, head over there to Dr. Stacy Yeager, and you will see me talk about part one. And now here's part two, because I'm all cute now because I did my Mary Kay face. Boom, boom, boom. So, I am so super excited to talk to you about the year about you. So if you are a friend on my page, you have already been invited to attend my goal setting poster party. Yay, it's the vision board party. And so this year, this is a glimpse of my poster board that I started creating, and we will create a whole new one. You can do it online. You could do, this is the online version of it, but we're going to also get out the old standard paper and pen, the markers, everything. But this year is all about you. And I am so super excited to be able to do life with you. So, what does that mean? Doing life with you means we have to have various things throughout the life. And I love my Mary Kay family. When I tell you I love my Mary Kay family, you don't understand. So, we just had a roundup talking about how we are casting our words for this year. And what you know is my awesome sales director, Latricia Henry, created this banner, and this will be on mine. The year of you. Show up for you, personal growth, business responsibility, self-care, restoration, comeback club, unfinished business. Oh, thank you, Latricia, for helping me add to my personal vision board. And that's one thing I love about Mary Kay is the girlfriends, the growth, the friendship, and of course, looking beautiful, because we are a group of sisters who, if you've never been around a group of women that you get along, that you are passionate about, that they have the same goals and purpose and just motivating, you found it. If you need some love, come on to my Mary Kay family. But that's not what this video is about. But am looking for, if you're looking for sisters to be part of your circle that are positive and inspirational, oh my goodness, I just believe that you can befriend me, come partner with me, and we can do dream and life together. Okay. So vision board and vision casting. So I mentioned that some of you guys may be in a place to where so many heavy things have happened in your life where you just stop dreaming. You stop dreaming. Your goal is just to make it through to the next day. That's all, Lord, wake me up. Amen. Right. And that's all you want to do is go home, go to work, get in your snuggies, play online, scroll through videos, watch TikTok, social media. But there's more to life. Okay. I want to help you find that joy that you had. All right. So I published a book called Awaken the Leader Within. It's available on Amazon, so you can get it on Kindle. You can get a paperback. You should be able to get it within 1 to 2 weeks, delivered straight to your door. Some people are getting them in 3 days. But go out there on Amazon because you shop there anyway, girl. Don't you shop there? So go out there on Amazon, type in my name, Dr. Stacy Yeager, and you will see my book, Awaken the Leader Within. Part of my goal to help you awaken the leader you in is to create a vision. It's hard to be the leader that you want to be without a vision. So it's important, even if, okay, so we are in the age of technology where many times you can create things, you have a calendar online, you have a schedule online, and you even may have started your vision online. That's fine. We still do not want to to miss the opportunity to write things down. There's something about writing out your feelings, writing out your thoughts, getting that piece of paper together, the pens, although my child Shane forced me to use a pencil last night, and I hadn't used a pencil in a long time. The pencil writes so much different than an ink pen, doesn't it? Okay, two different ways of writing comes up on two different sheets of paper. different on the same sheet of paper. We are all different. Our journey, our life, our passion is all different from each other. And that's okay to be different. But what we want is for you to have a more passionate life. When I say we, I mean me. God has ordained people to send different messages. So if this message is for you, just know that, I pray that God sends me to say something that will resonate in your spirit. So the goal vision planning party is Saturday online at 1 o'clock. If you go to my page here or on YouTube, it will be broadcast in both areas. Also, it's listed as an event on my Facebook page. On my business page, as well as my personal page, you will see the vision planning party. You want to get some poster boards. I went to the Dollar Tree and just went shopping. You can go anywhere you want to. This poster board was because it's 4 quarters in a year. And my goal this year is to be more intentional about the smaller range planning along with my big range planning. So I have a big goal that I want to achieve, but in 4 quarters, there's things that I need to get accomplished because my child will be going to college come August. So August, it will look totally different with one less child in the family, one less child, it will look different. And one of my passions for making sure my Mary Kay business is ramped up is because my goal is to send her to college debt free, meaning that I want to be able to pay cash for tuition, cash meaning a credit card, but pay directly for her tuition, her housing, her books. I can write that check. I can, charge my credit card and pay it off that same month with my business and being intentional. So my personal word of the year, I didn't even get to respond to my own post because it was so popular and started talking and everything. My personal mantra this year is it's all about you. It's all about me. So many times I've overlooked me getting things done, taking care of everyone else or doing everything else. So I've dedicated this year to me and being intentional about what I am spending my time with. Did you know that although everyone has the same 24 hours, it's difficult, right? If you have to take a bus versus getting in your car and driving somewhere. You're waiting more, you're spending more time. If you have a laundry, wash and dryer in your home, washing clothes is easier than having to go to a laundromat. So although we have the same 24 hours, sometimes more people spend their time doing the basic things rather than spending time on what they like to do, right? And so, how can we be intentional? One way, and I'm not going to give it all away because we'll be talking on Saturday. You can also join my Zoom link directly to be part of the conversation. But one way that I spend time that I really shouldn't is online. And I would say maybe playing games or doing research for different makeup tools, tutorials, fashion, all that stuff. I could spend all day looking at the latest fashions or home interior or decorating or that is time that I could use to intentionally do strategic things for my business that can intentionally be used to make additional money for my daughter's tuition because tuition goes up every single time, whether I like it or not. Okay, so poster board, get some poster boards. Also markers. Markers is going to be something that you're going to need. I have dry erase markers for my dry erase board. I have a variety of markers that my son has already torn into because he wants to use them. I have ink pens. You can get glitter sticks. You can get tape. You can get glue. Just go wild on planning for your dreams. And then for those who attend or may not get a chance to attend, you can do the playback. Okay, so 1 o'clock Central Standard Time, go ahead and start getting that. Also, while you're shopping on Amazon, grab my book, Awaken the Leader from Within. Also, I want to let you know about my son has a book club called Black Boys Do Read. So you will be hearing more about him, his vision, his goals. He's revamping his Facebook page of Black Boys Do Read so that he can be able to increase the literacy of Black boys this year, 2022. He's 8 years old and he has goals and visions. And I know sometimes when we're adults, let's be honest, sometimes your goals and visions are put on the back burners to your kids. But your kids need to see you going after your goals and dreams. They need to see you actively loving life, enjoying life. Even if you're like, well, I don't have the financial support or the resources or someone to watch my kids while I go, whatever. I would encourage you to stop using your kids as an excuse for not doing stuff in your life. Use them as a reason. If you're like, oh my goodness, I just need to get out of the house, bring your kids with you. Find things that you can do as a family. Find things that you can do outside of the home. Wow, if you think I need more exercise, but my kids will never let me get a break. Kids love exercise. They like running around, climbing on stuff, jumping. They don't like being in front of the iPad. They only are in front of the iPad or TV is because that's what we get them accustomed to. But they like moving and shaking. If you know you need exercise, honey, take one of your kids and run after them. Okay? They will run out of energy. You will run out of energy way before they run out of it. So they will keep you on your toes. If you need exercise, again, chase them around, go outside or stay inside, go where y'all can run back and forth and just play. Be present with your kids because they do not stay young for long. I have an 18-year-old graduating. When people told me that time flies by, you could not have, in a blink of an eye, I can't even remember every single day that you can't remember it all. But what I do and can guarantee you, it will go by so fast. Before you know it, they'll be a teenager. They'll be getting ready to graduate. They'll be graduating. They'll be getting married, having kids, all of that in a blink of an eye. So do not delay your goals. Don't delay getting out there and getting something out of your life because tomorrow's not promised. We see every day someone posting who passed away, somebody passed away of all different ages. All ages. Death does not have an age limit. From a newborn to 100 to 113, death will come. The great thing is life will also come. Okay, new babies are born every single day. So do not forsake your life to just putting it to work, coming home, being online, looking, get therapy if you need it. Reach out and get resources. Look for a sisterhood or a brotherhood that you can truly embrace and enjoy. I'm a part of Sigma Gamma Rho Sorority Incorporated. We are one of the best sororities in the world. And that is sisterhood as well. So Mary Kay is another sisterhood that I'm part of. I love sisterhood. I love women being able to partner with them and build with them and just see what's great too. I love my husband too. But women and sisterhood have a different fulfillment because I can talk. My husband like, get to the point. I'm like, okay. So if you are a person who just needs that extra in your life, reach out. I love mentoring women. I love helping women grow and show, this is a new year for me. It is truly all about me and helping you get the growth that you need. So with that, I look forward to seeing you Saturday, 1:00. Like and subscribe to my Facebook page. Also like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel has been updated. So this is a great opportunity for you to just pour in your passion. Hey, Dante, thanks for saying hello and hi. I'm doing great. Hope you are doing too. Again, look out for me. Look and see me coming because we this year will grow in 2022. It's all about you.